Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Minecraft version and whether you need a mod or plugin. Install the matching loader, Fabric or Forge for single-player /modded servers, Paper/Spigot for plugins, then restart once so folders appear. Once done, download the WorldEdit jar that matches both your loader and version. Make sure the file name indicates Fabric/Forge or Bucket. Move that jar into the mods or plugins folder, and then restart your game or server to load WorldEdit for the first time. Once WorldEdit is loaded, give yourself operator status or assign permissions through a plugin, otherwise you won't be able to execute commands. Then test core workflows. Equip the wand with the command or tool, mark two corners with /pos1 and /pos2, and try a simple / set to replace blocks. Make sure to use /undo if you make a mistake. That verifies proper installation. While you experiment, check Server Console for errors and confirm no conflicting plugins are blocking WorldEdit. You finish by verifying dependencies and adjusting config files in the WorldEdit folder. Open the config to change limits or enable features, then restart. Make regular backups before big edits and use schematics or /copy and /paste so you can recover quickly. If something goes wrong, check the server log for mod or API errors, remove conflicting jars, and try a clean install. One quick troubleshooting tip. Disable other editing plugins temporarily. Conflicts are the most common cause of broken WorldEdit behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.